Khubor Pibaro Shakathub Khubor Jangi ke MBCTv. Kimat bakong san menta ke sengi kilong. Penkre hikai patba da kamok drill ha East and West Khasi Hills. Ra Kasinot School ya kanam ladu ha kajing kop luai choir Embos Golden Jubilee. Jengok ki officer World Bank ya ke office Hima Menlin. Bat 4 raikut ban pendo ya ke lintiren. Bat mentangin pa shiki Khubor bakam benya. Deputy Commissioner ke East and West Khasi Hills Subak Gideon Karmau Plang haka katway terik Risaw ulapan bana patba baka office jong u lembat ki weipat kita nak terekam sorkar ki bakentup ke District Disaster Task Force ki pulit ki doktor bat ki nurse na health department bat ki wei kita nak terekam jong ke sorkar Jylla ki badon hakani ke district kin penlong ye ke jing hikai patba lani ke mock drill haka khat ar terik Risaw hamairang. Kini kejing hikai mock drill daki kam bat kinuksa en pen I markmat kumno man uwei pa uwei unong shong shnong ude ban le ne ban kiar habakhe ne kelang kibor maryang hakapor bakhe jong jumai ba baplo bat klem ki ying kisem bakhe ke eryong erngit bajur ulap ba lapsan hakapor bashlei bat habatwa ka shnong katha kumno ban yarap bat yada yalade ye ki bahayeng asem Yeki marjan marpa, bat yeki briu ki bangat hakalanot ka shipa hakum kita kipor. Yekini ka mock drill en penlong bat sedang hakapor kendai beje minstep hamadan dom maulo. Udisi ulakan tui ki pat bekim day banting na markani ka mock drill kadai tang ka jing hikai, ka jing pen I nuksa, bat jing pen kre jing kibor penyat ka district kumno ban yada, bat ban pelat im yeki minsim briu hakapor bakalang kibor penjot kamaryang.
Khubor Peit Bra Kibia Peit Igini channel di nakaliam ka office jong ngau deputy commissioner jong ka Eastern West Khasi Hills ka kwa ban TPP komisi benta jong ka state level mock drill ka ba penbait da ka disaster management ka bi day halor ka jipun khre jungi ng district Khubor dan kanu ke akasyon khamtam kabadi na kami maryang kumkinja kem ke jingkem ding jingploding lani kinju jumai lani ki riong ngit makum ta terter dia lasa kisni kandan ka mock drill hakabangi na kaliya ka district administration ngila pengkre kabin kong kanlong hangni po office jungi kumno ban mobilize ki staff khamtam ni office ladawan kanunu ka jingkinyu jumai khamtam lani kanunu ka national calamity ka bala ban kta ya ka jingshong suk chongsan jungi hani office lani ya ka ban lak na ka jingman sa ki khamtam ki noktre ki ba biarung yami hani office andandru hapo Tirot Singh Memorial Hospital hangtai Nata hapo Shillong pendem umyong Namta ki khna school ngimot ban penlong hapo St. Thomas Namta hakeltik singkir pan ngibu sibenta hangni ka mairang bypass ka lenti nang ni napo office jungi banya stage po block mairang CNRD block ban ngilambu ru hanong maulum ya ka staging area bat ya ka relief camp di hangte hapo normal room te madan nibu clinic staging area kalau kuno ninyalum ki department prepare ki badan kam ban pha ki khamtam ki por badan kum kini jingja kaman adu ka health adu ki police ki home guards nata naka yang juga disaster management bora kini department ki ba dan kam ha kapor ban dan kum kini jingja jangka jingwan lingshap kami maryang lemba ki aryong arnget lani lemba jumai lani ka jing ploding lani kumita daftar tinim darru hangtai ska relief camp ru kaba hagani ka mock drill ngi pini kumno ba kindan kita ki breu lani khna ki ba haki school lani ki ba ki ba lenti sengkien lani ki badan haki hospital lani haki jono mangishim menta ya ha Shillong pendam yang Dia nak tu ngila benon rai ki yang te relief camp bat ya ban ai ka first aid mar pila te bi dan jan pung gini ja jingja ka ban kong ya khonsan ka long kumno ban yale benon rai gitu ki ba man sa kham tam ki bala man shu ai treatment sha sport tam ban laj ban bikin laj na kanu nu ka na kanu nu ka jing ka ba le si nakajing place nam ni tai kalong kinja first aid ti kum kita ki ti tang di ni kintien mas ke pat ya phi pai ba la sai ya phi so kinja siren ni tai pin dei ban tieng ni tai namar ba pani shulong ta kamok drill ban pe khre namar play ha kaleng kari india kila ja ki jinjai ba pher kham tam bi dei kum kinja flash floods kila ja ko himachal dan ni kinja jumai ni tai juja thanks you hi benta joka perthairu tingi na kaliang joka district administration ban na state hi bakoi ni skau ba kam ben bekhre ich bai ba jungi ha be dei bat kani kha benta
Khubor berpenyat ya ke Meghalaya Board of School Education to embos kila rakhi ya ke jingdap san posnem leni ke Golden Jubilee ha Shillong ha ka khatway terik Risaw da ka berpenlong ya ke jingya kop ruai choir halor ka phang Lek kemen ya kepor balalet, kedup ya keminta, batur syakalaway. Celebrate the past, embrace the present and rise to the future, has Susotham Auditorium. Ban penpuk penpeng ya kini kejing rakhi san posnem, lawan ban ya kun pratali ki skul bapau nam na East Khasi Hills, ban ya aireng ha kejing ya kop ruai kwaya. Kinong bishar betebin ki bakentup ya kakong pi wajri, Babi latam bat ba W nong sit kila jaus app jaus ar ki Shillong mat ban rai ki nu ki kenhon ki belasai yi ki sur bashnyam bat bathyang. Ha ka bakun kila minjur baka Sinot High Secondary School kalawan beningkong bat rai ka song pisa laipau hajar tingka ka St Mary's kalawan baar kalayo ka song arpau hajar tingka bat ka Kiddies Corner kalawan balai bat yo khatsan hajar tingka. Lasam ya ke khusnam Shekinong Job dau Executive Chairman ke Embos UCP Marak, Joint Director ke Embos ba McDonald Marbanyang, ha ke jingadon ringkat kinong hikai ki kimi ki kpa ki kena na kini ki skul. Joint Director ke Embos ba M Marbanyang ulai thu ba mentau snem ke Embos kala pelong ki program bepher ban rakhi ke jingdap san pos snem. Sinot High Secondary School ka bajab ha ka jing kop ruai minta kasngi kan le ruai ha ka khat khandai tarik Risaw hatura kasngi ban penkut ya kini ka jing rakhe dap san posnem ke embos
Kuba fitip ni baka Jylla ka jungi kayo ka Jylla le jom ka usnem khandai spa ni bua ban hadin baklayo ka Jylla ka jom ka sarkar Meghalaya ru kelas dan no ya ka School Education Board apo ka state ka jom ni pada yang usnem kat kendai spa nyo polai agak kat kendai tarik Oktober ke government ke sedang ya kedika State Education Board ke bagi akateng ke Meghalaya Board of School Education but mentasnem tasnem arajar apulai kelalong san posnem de kumban bisa aja kan mau ya kata gajing dap san posnem ila pelong ya ki program ki bepher ki pelong hang Shillong hatura hajuai William Nagar buat komita ter But mentas ni pelong yang kini choir competition hang ni Shillong, ya ki school hang ni Shillong kumtu. But ngi snu tenat bagi kena ki sim bentama. But kerukam ruai jungki ke level ruai jungki ke bala snu tenat ha do kata. Bani baro ki la snu tenat ha. But ngin penkut yang kini ke celebration hak kat kendai tarik bunai Oktober. Ngin pelong hatura ke beri headquarter jok ke Mbosan the. Ya kebagi lakot yang Chief Minister Madon Buram sawan penyedan mereka batni sepenkut ya ka jingra ke ha ketugas ni
ano tu lagi school ke ba participate untuk school
hari jing sha nomor ba kapor ka bakhapnya te ni klemla ban khot shibun ki school ni kham khot bun ki school ya kitu ki we ki competition ki bagi adam ya mentas ki ni khot tam ki ban ni khot shibut li tang ba artli ki lagi daw bomla ke yar ki la pentip ba kimla ban poi te pratli ki lawan tagas ni Aku bagi PUI, baka Sinot High Secondary School, kala job, kawan ba Art St. Mary's, baka kawan palai ke kini sekolah secondary school national ke school ke job mentah ke Senat High Secondary School kan select syatura ban perform harga tu ke segi ke bapni pedkut ya ka jingrak ke dekat kendai direct Oktober kan saput kut harga tu ke segi ke subjek musik keladon lupa mentah kan balong ni dang ai tak ada yang kelas 11 dan 12 tahot kadai ke om pi tingin hak perkat di mentah ke perkat dan seluruh ki kena bakin shim ni kan ikut ke subjek dan ke kelas ke badang red kumjo kejing ekran ya kata kadangnya syat ni kalau bon bah mentah bat kelas 10 bat kelas 12 ke bele exam ke long silak tam tanki mencuah ke por badang sedang te kada bon rutan lai pasal sebab bon lagi tu gi por te da bon ke school rutan lai pom supposedly kata te school ke ar hajar tam ke bele ya ka ke bab kan apa Jylla ke jeng Meghalaya kalau don sisa ke jengkiu ke kerau bah dia ke sampusnya kat kum ke ni gejuk ke mentangin hapen le ikum ta ni gejuk pen krek kena ya chat ikum tu bagi nget scam ba in la ban kampen bah sho ni gejuk aji sekri ki kena dia ke jelahi ba ni mah
Chief Executive Member CEM ke KHADC ubak penyat sing SEM ulai alam ya ki officer jangka World Bank sya office Himamelin. Don Bok baka World Bank ke lepak laingut ke officer rangba banwan jengo ikini ke Jylla ya ke KHADC banwa dikilat kilinti kumno banwan ra ke jingkut jing subah hayaudo bat ikanong ba Shillong barok kawai. Ke officer jangka World Bank ke layok mat ru banyat kejat mentah kesengi haki surok ke sor Shillong namar lajur palat kedheng kali ha kapor peki Peit kidang bepor syala ki jing teri jing ketak.
Hadin baka KHDC kala yo ya ka jingmenjur na ulat ke Jylla Meghalaya hakabaide baka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Solid Waste Management Act ajar akpo kani ka act la aibor ya ka district council but ban ya trailang bat ki hima bat ki shnong bat ki right repair hapo kini ki satli ki district namta banwara ka jingte lakam ya ka jingkut subah ki shnong ki thap kini ka solid waste management te hakabaide bakani nakaliang ka executive committee jo ka Khasi Hills ni la wanra monthly ki program kata ka solid waste management program ka penting ko ke bangilet nakaliang ka council kalong bangin ai ki kali kitnyuk sheki arpho tam tli ki shno kum kadat jo ka jing sedang jo ka program te kam kun tangata kabaar hapo kan ka solid waste management program ko jungi ngi buru bangi ngindan ya ka thau banla penten keladun yang sehisian ya ka Himamelin ka Peit bakmi ya kan ka yo tenrai ka yo niam ka bangi ong ka yo do te kani dika kawat kabaar ka fees kabaar ka bangi ngin shimti barla ban penkeladon barwara jingkut jing suba bat hakiliang bokher te kabalai pat mentang ya trailang bat ka World Bank namta ban yo shushu naki ya ke jingmut kiba biang kakum ga juk mentang khnang bangin la banwan penwandur ya ka plan ga jongi kumno ngin ya ben ya trailang bat ki hima bat ki shnong nan ne shima tingila wan panjuo ya ki babun li ki shnong ya ki wa ki badan ko so Shillong ila ikendu ki dorba shnong ila ikendu tai ka hima bangin ya sutu jingmut pakawal bang kumno bang ngidon ya kataka traditional system ka ngidon ka bangi penne equity ke dustur ke jungi kumno ngi trekam let's say kai kataka riti sinshar khadar ka ngidon ka riti sinshar hakatit ka hima ka riti sinshar hakishno kitau nang bakani ke jing penwan dur jungi ya ka plan ka ngidon kan long ka bejo tingilawan ru benen sipo marten ini babun ha ki kishnong baha po molai kamtam ke baha po Himamelin kila dan ke jingut bidim kematen ba kambit kampiang ke jingkut te nam ta banlum ikinyo hantai lawan ra ke jing sma itu lawan ra ke jing bombit kombiang nam ta nong shnong tu po marjan shnong te nama ta tau yangi kum ka council kum kinong ikman ngidon ya ka jingkit clear ngidon ke responsibility but ngidon ru ka jing sukya ka jing no concern nam ta ki ba nong shnong nama ta tau ngi wan ban jugo ipi ba resident ngani kendu yo vice chairman jo committee ayo ngan sai tu company habede ba ka jinglong jingman jo committee to store jungi habede ba ka sinsha ta te ngila don lupa ka system ka biang Sedang kaplan kumno bagi dia cuma berputrekam. Tengah kermens kem ba naka office jong CM jong ka hima melip. Apo ajelam jong pa im ainam, barki bakraw, barki basan, barki menteri baro. Hadu ki staff ki officers kin ai ke jingit lelang bat ni habide bekeka ham ka bangidon.
Kesorkar India lingba ketanak railway kalashim ya karai lapalat South House nemtam ban penya so ya barok ki Jylla jong kari da ka linti rel kamtam shikinong ba ka Jylla. Na kabenta ka Jylla Meghalaya ru ketanak railway kalai trelang bat ketanak transport ban wanra ekalinti rel la kumno hadu bernihat. Ha Shillong ka jing kren kalong betang na kabenta ka linti rel hadu bernihat. Kat baki Peit nyautrep kidang tai siai tai tangi ka linti rel ha bernihat ka sorkar Jylla ka ladep rai ban wanra ka rel hadu mendi pathar ka baha papo North Garo Hills district menta. Kani ka station rel ha mendi pathar kala trekam bat ki rel ki larung lami na kani ka station Shagoti. Kabay let by one, by kit, by ba, iki mar ki mata, kamtam iki mar rep kalong ka bajemdor hadu kata habay nujor bat kabay kali. Namendi pathar Shagoti, kalinti ka bajingay umduna shispa prapaw kilometer, kabay syong rel kampalat ka prapaw tingka. Ladami kinu gijing Meghalaya, baro ki mar ki mata kin poy mendi pathar, bat nakani ka shnong en sakinting ha ka kit ka ba de ki kali, sya ki shnong bapher jong kani ka Jylla. Ya minta kumni, usembut menteri rang ba bapet ya katanak transport ubak senyaw bahalang dhar, ulai thuak baka sorkar Jylla kampat penduk pendam ya kejing temu ban penyesok linti rel, haki benta jeng district Riboy, East Khasi Hills but East Janta Hills.
Also, we will take all the stakeholders on board only. When everybody is on board, then we will take a call. Not drop, we are still examining. Opposition is always there because we cannot see opposition. They are lax of understanding. It's the duty of the government to make them awareness. So when awareness is done, we will listen from their opinion. Yes, if there are opposed, why we should go for it? We'll just drop it. Simple as that. But unless and until everybody is on board, government is not listening to our opinion. Now, Checkgate is already ruling, and yes, that we haven't come to the stage to discuss about that part related with railway. Yeah, maybe a time will come. If railway is in place, then this is that we have to do. That we will see when time comes. I mean, as of now, we are planning to make our people understand. So let us see. It may take long procedure because since this thing is very new to our people, there is slightly sensitive issues. So therefore, it takes time for us to make them awareness. That is the decision of the government of India, not the state government. Let us try. Let us hope for a positive first, and keep awareness all those areas which are done too. So we will see. We will see first. We are still under examining, under negotiation, all these things. We haven't dropped it. Such simple as that. Unless and until our people understand, we have to keep dialogue with them. And yes, finally, if they say no to it, then we have to stop.
Ka-Office District Sports Officer West Khasi Hills District haka katway tarik Risaw kalapin kutno ya ka Youth Exchange Program hakat Saupra College Mairang. Hakani ka program pinway uba met ba lingdo u MLA Chairman Meghalaya State Planning Board ulalong ukongsan. Kiway kiriw rang ba kibaladan hakani kasngi kilong ka DSO West Khasi Hills kong Ballerinas aim u Principal kat Saupra College Babu Bolnes nong Kinong hikay ki kena school ki samla puli ki belai shimenta gajing yakop bapher hakini ki arsngi. Uba met ba lingdo ha gajing kren ulaong. Ki samla ki bedang syat dang klan ki dei bantur syaprang ban yakun hakum kini ki lempung kenang bakin penroy ialah ki sap ki pong. Ula kenturu ban yaweri ki weipat ban mi syakmat ban penep ialah ki bor jabing bat ialah kamet kapat.
But Superman membanding itu bagi respons nabi pun sama kalau lakukan integrasi. What lain expect bagi kabur pas. Ini kesiap dia. Ini kau ini aware ini design yang ikut sama baginya one cukup di program. Ibarat sorga kaki, nak benda, benda paham yang ekonomi pun kira jom kejadian. Kalau bagi session dengan ini, Kita lalu support regulatory item career guidance NAKA competition, fluid and gated competition, solo instrumental, antara folk song, folk dance, mau baru kata. Mereka fokus hanya kalau nak benda jalan jauh. Nak kena jauh apa yang jadi? Ngidon wei ketua lomwai kasih pekat. Ia pun bangkuai lomwai. Basket rules ini. Agaknya kalau kita baru Peit Pamjuni bagi Islam di Jiruan kasur kawanan merai keti dilom kibaran nomrin pak badan jumon kibaran katakan setia yang ini kibawan hadir yang kaya kebetulan kami ini nak terkadang pintu ikut sama kibaran hadir kebuat kami to sendiri program dalam pendidikan mereka bersuara
Keperton pulit yada Khubor Border Security Force hakash pautrik Risaw kilayo kem nyo pautli ki masi na Khubor India Bangladesh katba kinong khayi bean kidang tmu ban shalan yiki Shakiri Bamarjan Maria yo jingtip batikna ki BSF 181 Battalion bat ki pulit MLP Hakathan Sibari South Garo Hills kilayo kem arpo artli ki mod ki balaburi hapading lauba Yikini ki masi bat ki mod la IT shaki thanat pulit ki badan hakate ki jaka Hakathan East Khasi Hills but East Janta Hills ki BSF 193 Battalion but 172 Battalion kilayo bat sabu pratali ki masi ki belathmu ban khayi bean sha Bangladesh Yaki niru la IT haki pulit jangka Jylla la ongka Khubor naktem BSF Khubor Central Bureau of Communication Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Government of India Shillong haka khatway tarik Risaw kila pelongi ke exhibition kam outreach program balaisngi halor ka Swachh Bharat and Poshan Abhiyan hapalau Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpo Hakani ka program la ajing hikai ki khana school ka than Nongpo halor ka jing khoi ka jing suba bat ban pinmelin ban bam ki jing bam ki batei ka met ka phat bat ki badon ki vitamin bat proteins Hakani ka program ka Jane Namchu Additional Director General Zonal Central Bureau of Communication Goti kalalong ka Kongsan Umanish Kumar IAS Assistant Commissioner Riboy Ugopajit Das Head Office Central Bureau of Communication Shillong Babyang Bok Basayamon Umling Sin RD Block Kong D Jylla Nutritionist DPO Office Kong WK Bla Principal Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpo Kilong kami longpa bagi kena school kathan Nongpo kilawan ban shimenta kani ka program Hakani ka program ka Office Central Bureau of Communication kalapin ko buramru iwing nong hikai ka school Alpha English High Secondary School Madhav Singh ubalayo ika kusnam Teacher National Award na ka President Draupadi Murmu haka program ka badang Depshen Hanongba Delhi
It is the only planet of sustaining life, so let us make choices that would benefit us rather than hurt our planet Earth. Don't kill the world, don't let her down. Do not destroy basic ground. Don't kill the world.
water. For further filtration, the water is passed through into the second and to the third container, in which we have added gravels and pebbles. Gravels and pebbles also helps in filtering the water, as it is much thicker and it filters most of the water. And then the water is passed through into the fourth container, in which we have added activated charcoal. We have activated the charcoal by adding calcium chloride and lemon. Calcium helps in absorbing the organic substances that produces this agreeable taste and odor. And then lastly, the water is passed through into the fifth container, in which we have added sand. Sand also helps in filtering the water and provides an even filtration. And then we can observe here, as compared to this water which we have added here, we can observe that this water is much clearer and cleaner. But to make it safe for drinking, we can add chlorine tablets and then we can boil it. And then after it undergoes the process of filtration, the water is much clearer and cleaner, and we can put chlorine tablets if we want to drink it, but before drinking, we have to boil it.
Ward welfare, government is running hundreds of schemes, and to run those schemes government is spending lakhs of crores every year. And it was found that the success of these schemes is not up to the mark as government expect. So where we are lagging. So there is a lot of problem with the awareness and especially the acceptance among the people, because these schemes are made for them. So if you look at the example of malnutrition or nutrition, government is running a lot of schemes to achieve the goal of nutrition, because on the basis of 100% nutrition, you can build a healthy and strong nation. But if you look at the problem of malnutrition, Meghalaya has a peculiar high percentage of malnutrition in the state. And to overcome these problems, we are running a number of schemes to provide the nutritional support, like early childhood care mission is being launched recently. There is a NFSA mission, there is a midday meal schemes, but there is still a lot of things to be done. And to achieve those goals, government has come up with this idea to promote the awareness and outreach among the people, so that the community can benefit from these schemes. Because awareness level is too low in our country, because most of the people because 70% people lives in the rural area, and because of lack of proper information, especially the right information, people are not availing their benefit. These benefits are meant for them, a lot of funds is there. So to extend those benefits in far-flung area, we are extending these schemes, or especially the outreach program in all the schools and all the panchayat area. So I thank to Central Bureau of Broadcasting Shillong and especially the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting to promote these schemes under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav 1947, so that we can achieve the goal that we make or prepare before launch of any scheme. So we have wide ranging of events for these 3 days, like competition and to promote the idea of what is the benefits of nutrition, sanitation, and many more things. So I welcome you all of you to this event, and I request all of you to participate enthusiastically in this event and learn as much as possible. I am running short of time because Honorable Governor to the state of Meghalaya is expected to arrive in Nongpo after 10 minutes, so I have to rush there. So with these words, I would like to conclude my speech. Once again, I would like to thank to the organizer and the school management for inviting me. And
Badaki tugi Khubor ngila poisha kabakut tat hadu bang Indonesia biang kublai shibot.